Alright, so I bought the Razer DeathAdder Essential recently. It's the white edition. So the reason I have a few mice on my desk right now is this DeathAdder has some problems with the middle button. It doesn't work, and like you can't open tabs in the browser, you can't drag and scroll with it. So I've already started the warranty process for that. So I'm using my backup mouse, the G502 Proteus Spectrum, I think. The reason it's not my main mouse is, I don't know, I'm just so used to the shape of the DeathAdder. And this mouse, while it's nice and was probably more expensive, but it's still my backup mouse, it has this line down the middle, and it's, I don't know, it's just really uncomfortable for me. I had the G400S before this. It's actually sitting, it's plugged into my secondary computer. That's like a Frankenstein of parts from my current computer. But yeah, I just do like background tasks on that one. But so yeah, that one, the G400S, had the same problem that my MX518 had, where it has like this circular patch on the back, and that gets like rubbed and weathered down, and it just gets really nasty. So I prefer the backs of the Razer mice, even though Razer products aren't like the best quality. They do have problems after like a year or two. Not every single one. Like my Black Widow here has been like fine for, geez, years. Like I probably bought that freshman year of college, and it hasn't had any issues for like over 4 years. So Razer products are hit or miss, but yeah, I wanted to try out this mouse. So the Razer Mercury line came out recently, the all white line, like all the products, keyboards, headsets, mice. They released like a new line of white products. It looks really clean, looks nice, but I thought this would be part of it, but no, they didn't release the DeathAdder with them. So I ordered it off Amazon. There's one on Newegg as well, the Essential White Edition. Apparently it's a Asia like market exclusive, like the DeathAdder Essential. I don't know if it's been released in the US, but it was released in the Asian market, so you can see like there's Chinese writing on it. So on Amazon it's from a vendor called LA Renren, and on Newegg it's Corn Electronics. This DeathAdder was actually from Corn Electronics. So yeah, I didn't have any worries about it being like not legit or anything, but yeah, just know that it comes in retail packaging but with Chinese writing on it. Alright, so we're gonna open this up. Alright, so it comes with this cardboard packaging and a booklet. Nice stickers as usual. I love stickers, you always gotta get the stickers. I actually don't think I've used any of my Razer stickers yet. Oh, actually, I might have put one on my laptop, my old laptop, but my new laptop has no stickers on it, so I just like to hoard all my stickers. Alright. So here it is, the white Razer DeathAdder. Looks really nice. I don't think it has RGB. I don't think any of the Essential DeathAdder Essential versions have RGB. But yeah, it's really nice and clean. It's not the glossy version. I've seen a version of this. It's like a glossy white. This one is matte white, so people said it might get dirty. I don't know. I'll have to see. But it shouldn't be too hard to clean. Alright, cable, same as usual. Alright, so I knocked over my camera. Let's try that again. So yeah, the USB has green inside. Looks pretty cool. I guess that's a Razer thing. I haven't seen that on any of their other products though. I actually like that. It's a nice little Razer detail. Came with the cap in case you need to store it. But yeah, let's plug this in and see how it works. Alright, it's got a nice white light to it, so you're not going to lose it in the dark or anything. Alright, so I've restarted my computer, got Synapse back up. Apparently there was an update. I don't know if it was just for this mouse or I actually needed to update my Synapse. But so I have two versions of Synapse running actually, Razer Synapse 3.0 and 2.0, because my keyboard and my Firefly mousepad use 3.0, but the old DeathAdder Chroma, which I don't think is even for sale anymore. I think it's really old, so that uses 2.0. Like 3.0 doesn't pick it up for some reason, so I had to install 2.0 to control that one. Alright, so I did want to show the Razer Synapse dashboard real quick. Yep, so Razer DeathAdder Essential White, it comes up, and you can go in and customize the settings as usual. So yeah, standard buttons, middle click, and the two on the side. Performance, you can change the sensitivity, 5 stages, polling rate. The maximum DPI on this mouse is 6400. On the DeathAdder Chroma, it was actually 10,000, but I don't go above 6400 usually anyways, so yeah. Lighting, we actually have a couple settings here, brightness and effects, breathing or static. So breathing, it'll like dim and then come back up. Static, it just stays on. So yeah, not much to it. The mouse does feel a bit different from the DeathAdder Chroma. The texture on this back is like, it has some texture to it. It's like a matte, kind of rough texture if you scratch at it. Like, it's comfortable, but this one is, it's more smooth. Like, it's just like a smooth texture. It's not like the glossy one, but I actually prefer the texture on this DeathAdder Chroma more. But it's not bad. Like, it's not super smooth and slippery. It still has a decent grip to it. But yeah, it's basically no different. I mean, might be a bit lighter. But yeah, I think I'm gonna use this mouse as my daily driver for now, since I'll be sending this one in for warranty real soon. And yeah, this is just my backup. I like Logitech products. I have owned a lot of Logitech mice in the past, but I don't know. I just really like the DeathAdder shape, so yeah. Well, that's it. If you have any questions about the DeathAdder Essential, feel free to comment, ask me anything. But yeah, this was just a simple unboxing video to show the DeathAdder Essential White Edition. Oh nice, it comes with a cap. Oh shit. And I knocked over my camera.